NEBOSH Expert is a specialized educational YouTube channel designed to help aspiring health, safety, and environmental professionals excel in their NEBOSH National Examination Board in occupational safety and health qualifications. The channel focuses on delivering high-quality, accessible, and comprehensive content related to NEBOSH courses, providing a one-stop resource for learners preparing for various NEBOSH certifications. Target audience: aspiring safety professionals, NEBOSH diploma and certificate students, industry professionals looking to enhance their safety qualifications, individuals aiming to pursue careers in health, safety, and environmental management. Content focus: world-recognized safety courses, exam preparation guides, step-by-step guides on how to prepare for NEBOSH exams, focusing on effective revision techniques, question-answer strategies, and time management tips. Mock exam solutions: sample exam questions with thorough explanations and analysis of ideal answers, practical insights on how to interpret NEBOSH exam questions and structure responses. Study tips and tricks: expert advice on how to stay motivated and focused while studying, the best resources to use, and how to manage your time effectively. Practical case studies: real-world examples and case studies related to health and safety issues, demonstrating how NEBOSH principles are applied in the workplace. Legal and regulatory updates: updates on the latest health, safety, and environmental regulations worldwide, focusing on how they relate to NEBOSH course content. Guest speakers and interviews: inviting industry professionals, NEBOSH alumni, and subject matter experts to share their insights, experiences, and advice for students. Visual aids and infographics: high-quality visuals, diagrams, and infographics to simplify complex concepts and ensure better understanding for visual learners. Interactive quizzes and challenges: regular quizzes and challenges to engage viewers and test their knowledge, providing immediate feedback to track progress. Career advice and opportunities: guidance on how to use NEBOSH qualifications to advance careers, including how to find jobs in occupational safety and health, build a CV, and prepare for interviews. Engagement strategy: regular upload schedule, daily video releases with a mix of long-form educational content and shorter tip-based videos. Live Q&A sessions: hosting regular live sessions where viewers can ask questions about NEBOSH topics or exam preparation. Community building: a focus on building an active community through comments, polls, and interactive content. Social media integration: promoting content through social media platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook, ensuring followers are engaged and kept informed about updates. If you are new on our channel, please subscribe and follow us.